Chapter 4: The Plateau of Peninsular India. We will learn Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau. A plateau is a high and flat land. To the south of the northern plains lies the old land mass of the peninsular India. It is a plateau. It is the largest natural region of India and is also known as the Great Plateau of Peninsular India. It comprises of two distinct parts, the Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is located in the northern region of the peninsular India. It is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhya Hills in the south. This plateau slopes towards the plains of Ganga and gradually merges into it. In the east, Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand are located in southern Uttar Pradesh and Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. Most of the rivers of the Malwa Plateau fall into the Yamuna. The Malwa Plateau, especially the Chota Nagpur region, is the richest mineral-producing area. The chief minerals found here include iron ore, coal, manganese, mica, etc. Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is like a triangle. It extends from the Satpura Hills in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. On its west are located the Western Ghats and on the east are located the Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are formed by the Sahyadri, the Nilgiri, the Annamalai and the Cardamom Hills. The Western Ghats run along the Arabian Sea and their height increases towards the south. Anaimudi in Kerala is the highest peak in the peninsular India with a height of 2,695 meters. The famous hill station, Udagamandalam, formerly known as Ooty, is located in the Nilgiri Hills. The Deccan Plateau gradually slopes towards the east to the Bay of Bengal. The Eastern Ghats have discontinuous hills and are called the Mahendragiri. The major rivers in the Deccan Plateau are the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri. These rivers flow from west to east and fall in the Bay of Bengal. The other major rivers are the Narmada and the Tapti, but they flow from east to west and fall in the Arabian Sea. Knowledge Window. The Godavari River is considered sacred and is called Dakshin Ganga. The rivers in the south chiefly carry the rainwater. They flow rapidly and create waterfalls on the way. The Jog Falls in Karnataka are the highest in India, made by the river Shravati. The Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India, which is built on the Mahanadi River. The Deccan Plateau has rich black soil which is very fertile for the cotton crop. This has made Maharashtra and parts of Gujarat and Karnataka cotton belt in India. The region is rich in mineral wealth, also the important minerals being iron ore, mica and gold. The gold mines in Kolar, Karnataka are famous. New terms. Peninsula, an area of land almost surrounded by water but joined to mainland. Plateau, an area of flat land higher than the surrounding land. Waterfall, a fall of river or stream over a cliff or rock. Dam, a wall built across a river to make a reservoir and slash or electricity. Points to remember. The peninsular India comprises of the Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli and the Vindhya Hills. The rivers in the Malwa Plateau fall in the Yamuna. The Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape, extending from the Satpura Hills to Kanyakumari. Most of the rivers in the Deccan Plateau flow from west to east, with the exception of Narmada and Tapti. The whole of peninsular India is rich in minerals.